We have been working with some exciting companies on organizational development projects. And let me tell you, these projects are very, very intense and definitely can be very exciting with the right kind of people. Let me share a little bit more about the kind of projects we are doing in the field of OD. So what we do through our organizational development programs is to provide a neutral, decisive and assertive voice to your thoughts and considerations. It could be about hiring people, it could be about restructuring the organization, it could be about succession recommendation, it could be also about having a well-defined training and coaching need analysis. Multiple things we can do in an organizational development project. We also talk about how do we manage cultural aspects of a transition. For example, if there is a takeover, how people can align to the new organization. OD can be very exciting if we enable an objective-based methodology to structure deeper changes in the system. And definitely collaboration at all levels is required to make it happen. Needless to mention that it requires persistent effort and also a lot of creativity to ensure seamless execution. So friends, the objective of organizational development projects is to build future readiness across the layers of the organization, most of the time starting from the top. It requires a great amount of cooperation from the senior leadership team and also middle management to build such changes. To know more about the organizational development projects, do visit our webpage. Let us know your thoughts. The link is shared in the description below.